In this video, I'm showing you how to withdraw your funds from your Bybit Exchange to your local bank account. So whether you have USDT or token or any coin, any cryptocurrency you have in your Bybit Exchange, this is how you can withdraw it to your bank account, cashing out. Now, the first thing you do is to open your phone and click the Bybit app. You go ahead and click on where it says assets. Alright, so if I'm looking down here, it is my phone screen, okay? The asset you'll be withdrawing has to be in funding account. But if it's in unified trading account, what you simply do is to convert it to funding because you can only sell from funding accounts. Now click on transfer. You want to transfer whatever you have in unified trading account to funding. So if you have funding up here and unified trading account down here, you have to toggle this arrow together and now you see that it has switched. The next thing you want to watch out for is the coin that display here. So make sure that the coin that display here is the coin you want to convert. So assuming you receive a cryptocurrency as airdrop, select it because you want to convert it into your funding account. Now you go ahead where they wrote amount, type the amount, the quantity, or click on max if it is everything you want to convert. Now click on confirm below. You see it has transferred successfully to the funding account. Now you might still have the fund in your funding account and you are not able to sell it and have your money in your bank account. So you can go ahead, click that funding account. And then you make sure that it is all in USDT. So if it is in Ethereum, Pulse, or any token at all, you have to select the option for convert so that you convert it to USDT because what you can sell is USDT. Okay, so that token that you want to convert to USDT, you have to click right here and select it. Select the amount or click on max to select the maximum amount. Right here, this is red because I do not have BTC right here in this account to convert, okay? Now you go ahead and click on quotes when you have confirmed this. So I already have my USDT and it is in my funding account. So I'm going to get to the home page of Bybit and then I'm going to click on deposit. That's exactly what you should do. Now, the option you want to use for this deposit is P2P. The P2P means peer-to-peer, where people from your area want to buy from people that want to sell. Now, make sure you click on sell because that is where sellers are. So, now that you want to sell, people that are willing to buy have all their prices, but there is an important filter we have to do here. Firstly, select amount. This amount, you want to tell Bybit, show me only people that can buy up to this quantity in Naira. So I type 70,000 Naira and Bybit have shown me the number of people, all the people that can buy up to 70,000. So they can buy maybe between 10,000 to 50 million. And then make sure the token here is USDT. And another filter that is important you do here is all payment method. Select the kind of people you want to receive from. Is it anybody that does bank transfer or only from OPay or only from PalmPay or Carbon Microfinance Bank or Echo Bank or GTB. So I would like to receive from anybody that can make bank transfer. Select it and now you click on confirm. Now you see right now it has filters. So we do another major filter now. So in this particular filter, it is critical. And this is why you want to tell Bybit and say, show me only verified advertisers, one, and also show only eligible ads. The moment you do that, another important thing here is the pricing. Show me the people that they have funds from the highest amount to the lowest amount. And then the time limits. Some people can deliver within 15 minutes, some people within 30 minutes, some people within 1 hour. So I can select 15 minutes because I want this to be snappy and then click confirm. You see, for each action you make, it keeps filtering them to suit you, okay? Now make sure the currency here is your country symbol like Nigeria, NGN, Ghana, GH, and the rest of that. All all of them will take 15 minutes to deliver like you asked Bybit. They can all make bank transfers. You don't have to wait till they go to the bank on Monday and make deposits. They are all able to fund you the amounts that you have right here. Look at this particular person. He has made order of 1,857 and 98% speed and accuracy. This person has made order of 1,481 orders at 96% speed. So they are doing well. Now, the next thing you want to check out for is the amount they are able to buy and the amount you're willing to sell your token. So you can take your time, scroll down. Anybody whose price suits you, you can go ahead and simply click on sell so that you do the next most important thing. I love the price and everything about Ken. Who wouldn't want to trade with someone that has 98% at 1,857 orders? So I'm going to click on sell. So anybody you want to transact with, click on sell beside the person. And now you have a time to choose further. You make sure it's on crypto. Now, how much crypto, how much USDT do you want to sell? Now, as you're typing it, you are seeing the value in your currency, which in this case is in Naira. So you can see the value of $40 to Naira 63,000. Now $42 in Naira 66,000. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is to make sure you select bank transfer. So at this point, if you have not made bank transfer or added your details here before, you see option to add a payment method. And in this payment method, there are three major important things that you need to fill here. The name on the bank account, which must be the same name you registered Bybit with. And then the bank account number. Then you don't have any business with the branch of the bank, and then you fill the name of the bank and click confirm. It's that simple. After you have confirmed your bank, you click confirm. Now, the next important thing you need to do is to read the advertiser's terms. It says drop your active phone number before payment. You can click confirm, and then it takes you to this page, because at this moment, Bybit has messaged this person and said, somebody wants to make offer and within 15 minutes you should have delivered. This person right now has gotten a message from Bybit, and then Bybit is already counting down based on the time the person gave. Bybit has also told me that they have messaged this person, and now you can also contact the buyer. Right here you see contact buyer. So he even dropped a message already. So I'm just going to reply. Yeah, so at this moment, he's making the payment. It is important to note that these guys are really fast. So also be fast and smart, because Bybit has told you that you should not trust anybody. This is P2P market. You do not know this person. He said that I should release funds. So I am saying, okay, let me confirm. Rate me good. Yeah, because this rating they gave you is the same thing that determines your order percentage. You see how they got those order percentage of 96 or 98%. So what I'm going to do now that he said he has sent it is to open my OPay account, which is the account I used here. And then I'm going to check my balance to see if it has reflected, not a flash message. Open your mobile app and confirm. So on getting back to Bybit, it wiped off. So I have to get back to the P2P page and click on orders. So you see it right here. Now you release the fund. Now Bybit said you should tick this if you are sure. So input your fund password and click on confirm. Now, if you do not already have a fund password, at this moment, you will create a fund password and also confirm that you have received this fund, and then it will be sent to the person. So you can see my balance right here has reduced to $3.90. So this is exactly how to receive your money in your bank account, like I just received mine. If there is any part of this video you do not understand, you can skip the video back and then pay close attention to it, because this is exactly all you need. And do not forget to hit the thumbs up, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will tell you the next time I make another upload. Have you shared this video to people that are looking for how to withdraw to their bank account? Thank you. I wish you the best in all of this. Ta-da!